The truth about Gary Gensler and the corrupt SEC is coming to the surface like oil and water. Stay tuned to the end, guys, because this is the XRP legend, and I got some breaking news for you today. XRP sitting at around 37 cents, and I'm gonna tell you guys, things might get worse, but eventually they will be much, much better. Because when the truth comes out, they're gonna realize that good guys were actually bad guys, and bad guys were actually good guys. Tom Emmer tweets out, FTX collapse is not a crypto failure. Check this out.
And it's really a failure, it appears, of Gary Gensler to actually deal with the bad guys. You got to ask yourself, Charles, where was he on Celsius? Where was he on Voyager? Where was he on Terra Luna? And now, where was Gary Gensler on FTX? Yeah. This is exactly what he's supposed to be doing. And Terry was talking about that. What is the regulator responsible for this doing, going after good actors in the community and working backroom deals, it appears, with people who are doing nefarious things?
Good actors, Ripple. Bad actors, FTX. Nefarious activities. Crypto whistleblowers in line for multi-million-dollar payouts. It looks like the CFTC is incentivizing anyone with information to come out and tell the truth on the matter. In today's new age, with advanced communication and social media and the internet, there's just no way for the truth to stay hidden forever. A CFTC commissioner has urged crypto industry whistleblowers to come forward in the aftermath of FTX. Millions of dollars for their help. Under the CFTC's rules, whistleblowers can get awards worth between 10 and 30% of the money the agency collects in penalties from a case. The regulator awarded nearly $200 million in a single unidentified whistleblower in 2022. Thousands petitioned for congressional investigation of alleged Gary Gensler and Sam Bankman fraud. Links. Ripple defense lawyer John Deaton's crypto law website has a petition app, and readers are urging Congress to look into a suspicious meeting and other supposedly questionable links. This is one of many petitions, guys. There are currently over 60,000 XRP holders who have supported Ripple in an amicus briefing, trying to portray to the SEC how their actions have hurt investors, opposed to actually helping them, which is what the SEC claims to be doing. Almost 4,000 people have used crypto law petition app to demand that Congress investigate United States Securities and Exchange Commission head Gary Gensler's actions in the FTX fraud. Gensler was helping Sam Bankman fraud and FTX work on legal loopholes to obtain regulatory monopoly. And while everyone's so focused on FTX and the collapse of crypto, and everybody's running for the hills, scared of crypto, here's JP Morgan investing in crypto. The same people that told you that crypto was a fraud is now investing in blockchain technology. A lot of you ask, why is the XRP price not appreciating or mooning when Ripple is consistently creating partnerships and pilot programs with some massive financial players? One reason, these programs are still in the pilot stage, and they need to make sure the technology works on a small scale before they scale up to some of the more exciting numbers that we're hoping for. But notice in this article, they mention Ethereum up front, they mention Polygon up front, but if you dig a little deeper, you'll notice that all of these partners are connected to Ripple in some way. For example, SBI Digital Asset Holdings. There we go, SBI Remit. DBS Bank Limited. DBS Bank as a digital payment token exchange with these cryptos, including XRP. Standard Chartered completes strategic investment in Ripple. HSBC Holdings. HSBC, we type in Control F, Ripple. Payments. DLT can streamline end-to-end value transfers, reducing costs, operational risks, and settlement periods. For example, Ripple's XRP ledger provides real-time cross-border settlements using tokens that represent central bank currencies. In foreign exchange, HSBC's FX Everywhere tool processed more than 3 million intercompany FX transactions worth $250 billion in its first year. Notice all of these programs are pilot programs, and yes, that's a lot of money, but for cross-border payments, it's actually a very small portion of a $157 trillion market. Link 2 tweets out,
Bank of America stands to gain really big when the settlement happens, because they're going to have a huge competitive advantage over their competitors by using ODL in the marketplace. So Brad is very, very bullish.
Did I just hear that correctly? When Ripple settles, Bank of America is going to have a competitive advantage. Think about that.
Vincent said this is a convertible virtual currency and told Ripple, it says, and I've read the documents, I gave it to the judge, Ripple shall means you have no choice, shall register all XRP sales through FinCEN and comply with the banking secrecy laws, the BSA, and banking laws, basically. AML, know your customer, all that, not securities laws. And so
Ripple already is complying with banking laws. And it seems to me that this Ripple SEC case is a big blue herring distracting us. I always like to say, if cryptocurrencies are truly the greatest opportunity of our lifetime, then it will also have the greatest fear, uncertainty, and doubt in our lifetime surrounding it. A tool tweets out, Tokenized Gold powered by XDC's XinFin network. Comtech gold tokens will be created on the XinFin protocol XDC blockchain network based on the deposit of physical gold bars. Like I speculated in previous episodes, are we going back to some sort of a gold standard? Will central bank digital currencies be backed by gold through blockchain networks like XDC or XRP? There was lots of arguments in the comments from one of my last videos. People were arguing that XDC was the first settlement layer on Corda, and I'm telling you that XRP and XDC work together in an ecosystem. This isn't a one winner take all situation. Have you guys ever seen this? How the ISO 20022 ecosystem works together. See, we have Ripple with its interledger protocol, and that connects to Corda, R3, XinFin, and trade finance. Connects to Corda as well. Swift connects to Corda. It works together in an ecosystem. JP Morgan, Consensus with Ethereum, Algorand, Circle, USDC, Ripple, R3, Quant, Stellar, IBM, XTC, XLM. I currently have a cousin who works at IBM. He's saying they're downloading Ripple's APIs right now and running a pilot program with other companies to see if they can save money on transactions. And guess what? They can. Within the next few years, we are going to see some major increases in efficiency. Exponential. The world won't be the same. Gold Telegraph tweets out, China has sold 121.1 billion in the US debt between the end of February to September. We now have mystery buyers stockpiling gold at record speed. Do you really think this is a mystery? It seems like there's going to be some sort of financial reset, and in the end, instead of a debt-based society, we are going to have a gold-backed society. Gold and 20-something other commodities are going to be the back of the new financial system. We might have a bumpy road, but I really do believe that in the end, our money will at least won't lose its purchasing power anymore. Mr. Whale tweets out, warning, get your crypto out of CoinSquare. Don't store your crypto on small centralized exchanges, reporting problems. Not your keys, not your coins. He's absolutely right. If you guys need a reliable cryptocurrency cold storage wallet, there's a link in the description. Ledger, definitely the most reliable. Just in, Genesis has 28 billion in outstanding loans, Bloomberg reports. Get ready for a nasty deleveraging event. In the end, I really just think that ISO 2022 coins will survive and thrive. Possibly Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. For the long term, that is. This is an interesting tweet from Crypto Chief Commander. All of these coins at ICOs, meaning they marketed their coin as an investment opportunity and used that investment to fund their own projects. XRP did not market their token as an investment to raise money for their projects. They were already regulated with banks, and they sold their tokens on the open market, but not as an investment contract of any sort. I do think that most of these coins have a very bright future. All I'm saying is, once XRP is finished with their scrutiny, all of these coins are going to receive the same kind of scrutiny, and we'll have to jump through the hoops that Ripple and XRP have already jumped through. Probably all these coins are going to do well in the end, but I think XRP has the most potential, in my opinion, not financial advice. XRP could ignite the next bull run. I would have to absolutely agree with that. I am feeling incredibly bullish today. As usual, I'll see you guys tomorrow.